General classification. Komodo or in full Komodo dragons or Varanus komodoensis are a species of large monitor lizards found on Komodo Island, Rinca, Flores, Gili Motang, and Gili Dasami in East Nusa Tenggara Province, Indonesia. This animal by the natives of Komodo Island is also called by the local name ora. Another name for Komodo dragons is land crocodiles, although Komodo dragons are not crocodile species.
Komodo atau lengkapnya biawak komodo atau Varanus komodoensis adalah spesies biawak besar yang terdapat di Pulau Komodo, Rinca Flores, Gili Motang, dan Gili Dasami di Provinsi Nusa Tenggara Timur, Indonesia. Hewan ini oleh penduduk asli Pulau Komodo juga disebut dengan nama setempat ora. Nama lain dari komodo adalah buaya darat, walaupun komodo bukanlah spesies buaya.
The Komodo is the largest species of the familial Varanidae, as well as the world's largest lizard with an average of 2 to 3 feet or 2 to 3 meters in length and may weigh up to 60 pounds or 100 kilograms. The Komodo is the apex predator in its habitat. The IUCN Society introduced the Komodo dragon as a species prone to extinction, since its habitat has been reduced as a result of human activity. Habitat. Wild dragons are found only in Indonesia at East Nusa Southeast, on Komodo Island, Rinca, and a few small islands in the vicinity, as well as on the west coast of Flores Island. The habitat of the Komodo is open prairies or savannas and thickets, sometimes also along the coast. The Komodo operated during the day until the afternoon, but kept in the shade of extreme heat.
Komodo liar hanya terdapat dan hanya bisa ditemukan di Indonesia di Nusa Tenggara Timur, tepatnya di Pulau Komodo, Rinca dan beberapa pulau kecil di sekitarnya, serta di pesisir barat Pulau Flores. Habitat Komodo adalah padang rumput terbuka, sabana, dan hutan belukar. Terkadang juga di pesisir pantai. Komodo beraktivitas pada siang hingga sore hari, tetapi tetap berteduh ketika suhu udara sangat panas.
Diet. Komodo dragons are carnivorous animals. However, this monitor lizard more often eats carrion. Sometimes Komodo dragon also prey on humans and corpses dug out of shallow grave pits. Komodo dragons eat their prey by tearing off large pieces of meat, then swallowing them whole, with their front limbs hook the body of the prey. After eating, Komodo dragons walk along their full bodies looking for an open place to sunbathe and speed up the digestive process. Otherwise, the food could rot on his stomach and poison his own body. Due to slow its metabolism, large Komodo dragons can survive by eating only about 12 times a year or once a month.
Komodo adalah hewan pemakan hewan lain, atau biasa disebut karnivora. Akan tetapi, biawak ini lebih sering memakan daging bangkai. Kadang-kadang, komodo juga memangsa manusia dan mayat yang digali dari lubang makam yang dangkal. Komodo memakan buruannya dengan cara mencabik potongan besar dari daging, lalu menelannya bulat-bulat. Sementara tungkai depannya menahan tubuh mangsanya. Setelah makan, komodo berjalan menyeret tubuhnya yang kekenyangan mencari tempat terbuka untuk berjemur dan mempercepat proses pencernaan. Kalau tidak, makanan itu dapat membusuk dalam perutnya dan meracuni tubuhnya sendiri. Dikarenakan metabolismenya yang lamban, komodo besar dapat bertahan dengan hanya makan kira-kira 12 kali setahun atau sekali sebulan.
Physical characteristics. The Komodo dragon, the largest lizard in the world, has distinctive physical characteristics. With an average body length of 2 to 3 meters and a weight of up to 100 kilograms, male Komodo dragons appear very dominant. Their skin color varies from dark gray to brick red. while female Komodo dragons tend to have a greenish-brown color with yellow spots on their throats. Their thick, scaly skin serves as a protection from the bite of prey and attacks from enemies.
Komodo kadal terbesar di dunia, memiliki karakteristik fisik yang berbeda. Dengan panjang tubuh rata-rata 2-3 meter dan berat hingga 100 kg, Komodo laki-laki muncul sangat dominan. Warna kulit mereka bervariasi dari abu-abu gelap sampai merah bata. Sementara Komodo perempuan cenderung memiliki warna coklat kehijau-hijauan dengan bintik-bintik kuning di leher mereka. Kulitnya yang tebal dan bersisik berfungsi sebagai pelindung dari gigitan mangsa dan serangan musuh.
Behavior. The dragons are solitary animals and only gather together during feeding or reproduction. This monitor lizard can sprint up to 20 km per hour at a short range. The dragons are also good at swimming and can dive as much as 50 feet or 4.5 meters deep and can climb trees with their powerful paws. To capture prey that is beyond its reach, the Komodo can stand on its hind legs and use its tail as a backup.
Komodo adalah binatang yang penyendiri dan hanya berkumpul bersama pada saat makan atau berkembang biak. Biawak ini dapat berlari cepat hingga 20 km atau jam pada jarak yang pendek. Komodo juga pandai berenang dan mampu menyelam sedalam 4,5 meter serta pandai memanjat pohon menggunakan cakar mereka yang kuat untuk menangkap mangsa yang berada di luar jangkauannya. Komodo dapat berdiri dengan kaki belakangnya dan menggunakan ekornya sebagai penunjang.
As the Komodo increases in age and body size, it often uses its paws as a weapon, since it makes it hard to climb trees. For cover, the Komodo is able to dig a 30-foot wide or 1.3 meters hole with its powerful forked paws. Because of its size and sleeping habits in the hole, the Komodo can keep its head warm during the night and reduce sun in the morning that follow. Seiring bertambahnya umur dan ukuran badan, Komodo lebih sering menggunakan cakarnya sebagai senjata karena ukuran tubuh yang besar menyulitkan membajak pohon. Untuk tempat berlindung, Komodo mampu menggali lubang selebar 1-3 meter dengan tungkai depan dan cakarnya yang kuat. Karena ukuran tubuhnya dan kebiasaan tidur di dalam lubang, Komodo dapat menjaga panas tubuhnya selama malam hari dan mengurangi waktu berjemur pada pagi hari selanjutnya. Fun fact: the largest male Komodo dominates by his or her body language and stance, which are then greeted with the same language by other smaller males to show the recognition of the power of the great Komodo.
Komodo jantan terbesar menunjukkan dominasinya melalui bahasa tubuh dan desisannya, yang kemudian disambut dengan bahasa yang sama oleh jantan-jantan lain yang lebih kecil, untuk memperlihatkan pengakuan mereka atas kekuasaan Komodo besar itu.
The same-sized dragons might fight the power struggle standing on 2 hind legs, then beating each other, and pushing with the front foot until one of them admits defeat and retreats. Even though sometimes the loser can be killed in a fight and preyed upon by the winner.
Komodo-komodo yang berukuran sama mungkin akan berkelahi mengadu kekuatan dengan cara berdiri pada 2 kaki belakang, lalu saling memukul dan mendorong dengan kaki depan, hingga salah satu mengaku kalah dan mundur walau kadang yang kalah dapat terbunuh dalam perkelahian dan dimangsa oleh si pemenang.
Komodos may be solitary hunters, but they're communal eaters. The dinner table's the perfect place to pick a fight and establish who's boss in this Komodo kingdom. Here on Komodo Island, this head honcho reigns supreme. He lives a dragon's dream. He gets the most girls, the most food, and the most respect on these coasts. To mount a serious title challenge, younger Komodos must be in their fighting prime. Confront the honcho when you're not, and you'll be savagely eaten up. 1/10 of his diet is smaller, weaker Komodos. But today's young challenger has bided his time. He now weighs in pound for pound with the honcho. The Komodo kid is ready to tip the hierarchy upside down. The fight is on. First to get pinned down, loses. The kid's got some great technique. He slams his opponent to the ground with a well-executed smackdown. But the head honcho knows how to hit back even harder. He'll fight dirty, and he's well equipped for the job. Like the tips of steak knives, each of his 60 teeth are dangerously curved and serrated. They're also entirely disposable. Komodos replace up to 200 teeth a year. Luckily for the kid, Komodos are immune to their own venomous bites. But it doesn't mean they don't hurt. Fighting through the pain, he takes a last-ditch swipe at the honcho. But his claws make no mark on scales which are reinforced with dense bone. The kid's no match for his fearsome rival. Too bloody to continue, he submits to the pin. The head honcho's shown why he's the boss around here. On Komodo Island, you should never punch above your weight.
The Komodo saliva contains venom, along with its various level bacteria. If a Komodo bite does not immediately kill prey and the prey can escape, most unfortunate prey will die within a day or week of infection, since the Komodo dragon is likely to be immune to its own microbial. Many studies are being done with locate antibacterial molecules in hopes of human treatment.
Air liur komodo mengandung bisa juga memiliki aneka bakteri mematikan di dalamnya. Jika gigitan komodo langsung membunuh mangsa dan sudah dapat mematikan diri, umumnya mangsa yang tidak mengikuti ini akan mati dalam waktu sehari atau seminggu akibat infeksi. Karena komodo kemungkinan kebal terhadap mikroba sendiri. Banyak penelitian dilakukan untuk mencari molekul antibakteri dengan mengharapkan dapat dilakukan untuk pengobatan manusia.